Ohayou gozaimasu. It's day 81 on the Tokai Shizen Hodo. I'm pretty confident in saying we've got 3 days to go till we reach the terminus on Mount Takao at the edge of Tokyo. So, the thing is, we've got to get over this big last bump in the Tanzawa Mountains, climbing out of Nishi Tanzawa up to the highest point of all on the Tokai Shizen Hodo, something like 1600 meters. So I just about blew my knees out coming down last time we were out on what was it called? Hage Nantok or whatever it was. So we're going to bust something out climbing up the other side of the valley. Oh, okay. Golden Week is about starting. Campers are out going crazy. At least they're kids anyway. And yeah, 20 Ks to get out of the Tanzawa Mountains. And yeah, get over the last big hump on the Hodo. Alright, that was Inoi Pass, and now we're heading down the other side to the river, Kawakami or something like that. Can't exactly remember its name. And before the monster climb of the day. So drop down 500 meters before we climb up 1,000 or something like that. Pain in the butt, but what can you do? rocky and slippery here. Mind the footing. Yeah, certainly is pretty out here. Down off Inoi. Now, follow this road a little bit, and then the big climb for the day begins up to Sihira, Yama and Himatsugi, and the highest point on the Shizen Hodo. Alright, let's go find it. Looks like it here. .1 to Sihira. Big drop down to the river before we start climbing. Climb begin in earnest. Steep. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. Oh man. At least we've got a cool breeze. Now we're coming to the dodgy bit on Sihira Yama, the landslide zone. But passed a few hikers coming down this way, so they didn't seem overly shell-shocked, so it should be fine, I suppose. No big deal, they put steps all around it. Must have been the old trail through there somewhere, I guess. Ooh. Yeah, should be fine, right? Yeah, these steps skirt around the landslide. It's over there to the left of the trail if you're walking from Osaka. Fuji's there behind those trees, can't quite see it yet. We'll probably get some better views later, hopefully. Alright, let's get to the top of Sihira Yama and have a nice, well-earned sit down. Yamazakura, mountain cherry, still hanging on. Oh yeah. There we go. Mount Sihira. Got him. Whew. Not that we're peak bagging. And there's a peak well worth bagging out there in the haze. The summit of Sihira up in there. Just had a quick little bite to eat here. Nice little viewpoint. Himatsugi, the highest peak in the Tanzawa Mountains. Over there. Okay. No time to waste, really. Let's mosey on along and find Himatsugi Yama and the high point of the Tokai Shizen Hodo. Here we are, highest point of the Tokai Shizen Hodo. Got him all the way from Osaka. What's that? 1433 meters. Pretty flowers, but I like the look of what's beyond. That must be the western reaches of Tokyo out there. Whew. Awesome. Alright, so that's the Tanzawa Mountains for you. 2 days, short and sweet. They're beautiful though, in their winter guise and their spring guise. A couple of Ks to get down to the bus stop, and we'll be calling it a day. So we'll catch you next time when we're back out here slogging it away for a couple more days on the Tokai Shizen Hodo.